Are you ready to nail party?
Nail Plump is a very strong and versatile soak-off gel. It is easy to apply and easy to remove. Nail Plump can be used with nail lacquer, gel polish, and nail tip extensions. I will be using pure acetone, my conditioning cuticle oil available in peach, gardenia, and vanilla sandalwood, my glass bowl, my orange wood stick, my clean finish buffer, and my long-lasting 100 Zebra. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. And I will be using my crystal spray decanter, available in peach, gardenia, vanilla sandalwood, and fragrance-free. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands. Now I'm going to remove my nail lacquer using my peach polish remover, and this is also available in gardenia and vanilla sandalwood. Using a towelette saturated with polish remover, place onto the nail, rocking back and forth to remove the polish. It comes off really easy. Place your towelette with your polish remover onto your nail. Let it sit there. Rock it back and forth. And do this on all your nails. Now I'm going to pour enough acetone into the bowl to cover the fingernails. And squirt about 5 drops of oil. This helps condition the cuticles. Now I'm going to score the edge of my long-lasting 100 Zebra using my clean finish buffer. This way when I file around the cuticle area, it's nice and smooth and it doesn't cut the cuticle. Now I'm going to file the surface of the nail plump down about 25 to 50% using my 100 grit Zebra. This breaks the seal and helps it soak off faster. Hold the finger. Doesn't take a lot. Just go from side to side, side to side. And do this on all the nails. It's not a lot of pressure. The 100 grit makes it really easy, so you don't have to apply a lot of pressure. Just make sure there's no shiny spots. Then you know that you filed enough. There we go. But you don't want to file down to the natural nail because you don't want any damage to the natural nail. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Very gentle. Let the file do the work. Place the nails into the acetone and let them soak for about 10 minutes. The Nail Plump soak-off gel will start to dissolve and become soft. You can also place a towel over the top to keep the hands warm, which helps to soak off faster. Remove one hand at a time, and then using your orange wood stick, just scrape off the softened product. Comes off really easy. And then just do that on all the nails. And then do the other hand, and then place back into the acetone and repeat probably one more time. Let it soak for about 5 minutes, and then it should all be off. After about 5 minutes, remove the hand and see if there's any plump left. Nope, it looks pretty clean. Okay, we're all off. Looks good. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. At this point, you can proceed with another service or buff with oil. Apply a little bit of oil on each nail. This conditions the nail and the cuticle. Rub it in. Then using your clean finish buffer, buff the surface to get it nice and smooth, very lightly, from side to side. And just rubbing the oil into the hand and the fingers and the nails, because soaking in acetone can be very drying. There we go. Very easy. Never pour your acetone down the drain because it will clog it. Just let it dry out and then wipe out your bowl.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.